The another type of reaction is single displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction. What is single displacement reaction? It is a reaction between element and compound. Element and compound. They react one of the element of compound reactant is replaced by the element reactant to form a new compound and element. New compound and element. For example, the general schematic representation of single displacement reaction is A. A is one of the element. A react with compound. What is the compound? BC is the one of the compound. Single displacement means the compound BC. The compound contain what are the element? B and C. This B and C replaced by A. Replaced by A. So form new compound and new element. Element react with compound to form new compound and new element. This example, A react with C. So what is displacement element? B is displacement. So A is displaced element B. A is displaced by element B to form a new compound AC. A, C and the new element B. New element B. A is displaced element B. A is displaced element by B to form new compound and new element. What is single displacement reaction? Reaction between element and compound. Reaction between element and element and compound. This when they react, one of the element of compound reactant is replaced by element reactant. Both are reactant. B, A also reactant and BC element is a one of the reactant and compound is a reactant. Both reactant displaced by one place to another place. This reaction is called single displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction, they form new element and new compound. For example, zinc. Zinc react with hydrochloric acid. Zinc is the element, HCl is a compound. The compound hydrogen gas is replaced by zinc. So form zinc react with chlorine, we get zinc chloride. And zinc chloride is one of the new compound, and what gas is released? Hydrogen gas is released. This is another element, new element. Zinc react with hydrochloric acid. Zinc is a element, hydrochloric acid is a compound. This element and compound react to form a new compound and new element. The new element is hydrogen gas, new compound is zinc chloride. So hydrogen is displaced by zinc. This hydrogen is displaced by zinc. This is single displacement reaction example. And the another example is iron. Iron react with copper sulfate. Iron react with copper sulfate to form copper sulfate, to form iron sulfate and copper. Iron is a element, copper sulfate is a compound. The copper is displaced by iron. So we get new compound FeSO4 and new element, new compound FeSO4, new element copper. This is another example of single displacement reaction. Any one reactant is exchanged. So this is called displacement exchange. This is single displacement reaction. See this diagram. This is single displacement example. The first beaker contains iron nails dipped in what solution? Copper sulfate solution. The color of the copper sulfate solution is blue in color. The copper sulfate solution contains what nails? Iron nails. The iron is displaced by zinc. So copper deposit over the iron nails. The solution is changed. The solution color changes green in color, green in color. Copper sulfate is a copper sulfate dipped in iron nails is a iron nail, blue in color, blue in color. The iron deposit over by the copper deposit over the iron nails. The solution contains copper, the copper deposit to iron nails. So solution is changed in green in color, green in color. Blue color represent copper sulfate solution, green color solution is a iron sulfate solution. This is one of the displacement reaction. What displaced? Displacement of copper solution into iron nail. The copper sulfate solution is a what color? Blue in color. This solution contains copper. This copper deposited into iron nails. The solution is changed. The color of the solution is green in color. This is the displacement of copper. The another type of reaction is double displacement reaction. When two compounds react, if their ions are interchanged, the reaction is called double displacement reaction. The two ions are interchanged means this reaction is said to be double displacement reaction. The ions of compound 1 is replaced by ions of another compound. The ion of the compound 1 is replaced by ion of the another compound. Ions of ideal charges are ions of identical charges are only interchanged. The cations can be replaced by another cations. This reaction is called metathesis reaction. What is double displacement reaction? Ions are interchanged. One of the compound 1 ions are replaced by another ions of another compound ions. The ions are interchanged. This reaction is called double displacement reaction. This reaction is otherwise said to be metathesis reaction. The cations can be replaced by another cations. The schematic representation of double displacement reaction. AB is the one of the compound, BC is the another compound. The AB compound B replaced by D. So they form new compounds. What are the new compounds? AD is a new compound and CB is a new compound. In a double displacement reaction, either one of the product must be either a precipitate or water. Double displacement in a double displacement reaction, one of the product is precipitate or water. So this way the major class of the double displacement reaction is occur. One is precipitation reaction, another one is neutralization reaction. What is precipitation reaction? When aqueous solution of two compounds are mixed. If they react to form an insoluble compound, insoluble compound, this is called precipitation reaction, because insoluble compound formed as one of product is a precipitate. So the reaction is called precipitation reaction. When aqueous solution of two compounds are mixed. In a precipitation reaction, two aqueous solutions are mixed. They form two product. What are the two product? One is insoluble compound, another one is soluble compound. Insoluble compound gives another one soluble compound, and it is called precipitation reaction. The insoluble compound is a precipitated. Form. So this reaction is called precipitation reaction. Example. When the clear solution of potassium iodide formula Ki and react with lead nitrate. Lead nitrate formula BbNO3 twice. Lead nitrate react with potassium iodide to form what precipitate? Lead iodide and potassium nitrate. One of the product is a precipitate or water. In this reaction, it gives one precipitation is occur. What is the precipitation? Lead iodide formula BbI2. This is precipitation. The nitrate is reactive with K, potassium, and lead is reactive with iodine. Both ions are exchanged. What are the ions? NO3 ion and iodine ions are exchanged. So two ions are exchanged means this reaction is called double displacement reaction. In this reaction, one of the product is a precipitate. So this one of the product is a precipitate. So reaction is called precipitation reaction. What is the precipitation reaction? Two aqueous solutions are mixed to form the new product is insoluble and soluble compound. Insoluble compound is one of the precipitate. So the reaction is called precipitation reaction. Potassium and lead displaced or replaced one another, and the form of yellow color yellow precipitate of lead iodide is shown. Show this diagram. Lead iodide react with potassium. Lead nitrate react with potassium iodide. Its form what precipitate? Lead iodide. Lead nitrate react with potassium iodide to form what is the two new products? Lead iodide and potassium nitrate. Lead iodide is a precipitate. So the yellow color indicates what precipitate? Lead iodide precipitate. In this reaction contains one precipitate. One precipitate is name is lead iodide. The another type of reaction is double displacement reaction is neutralization reaction. Already we know what is neutralization reaction. Acid react with base to form salt and water. Acid react with base, neutralized each other to form salt and water. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. For example, every acid react with base means it gives two products. What are the two products? Salt and water. For example, acid example, hydrochloric acid. HCl is a acid, NaOH is a base. This acid and base react each other. Both are neutralized to give sodium chloride. NaCl is a salt and H2O is a water. It gives water and salt. This is neutralization reaction. Every acid react with base. Every acid reaction with base means it to form water and salt. This type of reaction is neutralization reaction. The reaction of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid is a typical neutralization reaction. So sodium is replaced by hydrogen, form hydrochloric acid and forming sodium chloride. This is neutral salt. Sodium chloride is a neutral salt. Sodium chloride is a neutral salt. Neutral soluble salt. Sodium chloride is a soluble in water salt. Soluble salt. This is neutralization reaction. And another one example, ammonium hydroxide react with ammonium hydroxide formula NH4OH react with nitric acid formula HNO3. React acid and base to form ammonium nitrate and water. Ammonium nitrate is one of the salt. Ammonium nitrate formula NH4NO3. Water formula H2O. This is another example of neutralization reaction. Once again recall what is neutralization reaction. Acid react with base to form salt and water. It is called neutralization reaction. Dear children, learn this type of reaction for your examination. Thank you, students.